Hello guys, in this video, I am going to tell you the correct pronunciation of this word. Usually people mispronounce this word, like some people says pizza, which is incorrect pronunciation. The correct way of pronouncing this word is pizza, 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 pizza. Once more time. Pizza, pizza, pizza. Repeat it with me. Pizza, pizza. I hope that the pronunciation of this word is clear to all of you. So, the correct pronunciation of this word is pizza, pizza. So guys, if you find this video useful, please like this video and subscribe my channel for more videos related to pronunciation.